Yay! Yay! Hey there, creative geniuses, SS. Welcome to my channel. Well, my name is WISDOM, Wisdom. I hope you guys are ready to explore the exciting world of digital arts. Digital world, or should I say arts, could be a place where imagination knows no bounds. And today we will be diving into the exciting universe of 1 skills, 2 trends, and all things digital. From Photoshop to Blender, painting, 3D rendering, to the latest design gossip, powerful tools. I'm not just about painting, I'm a one-person creative circus. Want a splash of paint like the greatest artist? I got your back. Need some killer dance moves? Men and women? Michael Jackson will make you bust a lot of grove, and if you're in the mood for some epic raps, Eminem, here I come. I'm ready to drop bars like they're hot. Let's dive in and discover the magic we can create together. All right, wow. Thanks for waiting around, guys. Let's get back to the topic. Well, digital art isn't about being a tech whiz. You know what I mean? It's about expressing yourself in brand new ways and styles, whether you are a seasoned pro, haha, or you are just starting out, beginners. I will be so happy to interact with you guys. Well, there is always new ways to learn. So grab your digital brushes and let's get creative. Get ready to unlock your artistic potential. No more blank canvas anxiety. Hey guys, let's look at the digital world as your oyster, ready to be filled with your unique vision. Let's begin this exciting journey together. Grab all things, and not forget that the subscribe and like button, isn't it? You know what? Just click something except this.
Your trusty sidekicks on this creative adventure. Photoshop is your go-to for all things image editing. It's like having a magic wand for photos. Want to remove an unwanted object? Photoshop can do that. How about adding a touch of surrealism? Consider it done. Then there's Blender, your 3D playground. This powerful software lets you sculpt, model, and animate. Create stunning characters, design intricate objects, or build entire worlds. The possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the power of online resources. Websites like Skillshare and YouTube offer fantastic tutorials for all levels. Learn at your own pace and discover hidden techniques from the pros. Remember, the best tool is the one you enjoy using the most. So, experiment, explore, and find what sparks your creative fire. Your next masterpiece awaits. Let's get our hands dirty with Photoshop. This amazing software might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Start with the basics. Learn how to crop and resize images. Play around with brightness and contrast. These simple adjustments can make a world of difference. Now let's add some flair. Experiment with layers, the heart of Photoshop magic. Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. This lets you edit different elements of your image independently. Pretty cool, right? Here's a fun tip. Master the art of selection tools. These handy tools let you isolate specific parts of your image. Want to change the color of someone's shirt? Easy. Simply select the shirt and apply your desired color. It's like magic. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes, like accidentally turning your friend into a potato. I'll share tips and tricks to make your designs pop and prevent any potato disasters. That's how you learn and discover your own unique style. Section 4. Enter the third dimension. Blender, Basics and Beyond. Ready to dive into the world of 3D? Blender is your ticket to creating stunning three-dimensional art. Don't let the interface scare you. It's all about breaking down the process into manageable steps. Begin by
Familiarizing yourself with the basic tools for navigation, object manipulation, and material creation. You should start with simple shapes like a cube, a sphere, a cylinder. These basic building blocks can be combined and transformed into anything you can imagine. It helped me, and could be to you. Think of it like digital clay sculpting mold and shape your objects until they match your vision. Lighting is key in 3D art. It brings your creations to life by adding depth and realism. As in, just imagine the colors of a bright cinematic movie right under your nose, and made by only you. Amazing, right? Woo-hoo! When you experiment with different light sources and positions, you should observe how shadows and highlights interact with your models. And don't forget about textures. They add that extra layer of details and realism, from smooth surfaces to rough terrains, as come on. Yeah, come on. The possibilities are endless, as in endless. Have fun exploring and see what amazing creations you can bring to life in 3D. Well, to the next section, guys, which is section 5. Do you guys know that? What is trending now from logos to life? Like 3D? Just realism made on your computer. That's for those who want to either start a business or make money as a freelancer. The digital world is constantly evolving and evolving. Well, if you don't know, I'm all about those unique, eye-catching designs that makes brands shine. New trends emerge, pushing the boundaries of creativity. I'll spit and spill the latest designs, trends, and gossips like what's hot in logo design. This year, one of the interesting trend is the rise of minimalist logo design. Think clean lines, shapes, and a focus on clear communication. These logos are instantly recognizable and leave a lasting impression. In the realm of 3D realism, 3D is king. Artists are pushing the dreams of what's possible, creating breathtakingly lifelike renders, realistic human characters to intricate environment. The level of details is simply outstanding. But it's not just about technical prowess. We are also seeing a surge in digital art that conveys powerful messages. Artists are using their platforms to address social issues, raise awareness, and inspire change. It's truly an exciting time to be a digital artist. It's like magic but with a computer. I will explore various software or applications that can take your projects from flat to fabulous. Who doesn't want to create a stunning 3D model of a flying unicorn? Ooh, nicey! So stay curious, keep exploring, don't stop learning. Who knows what amazing trends the future holds? The only limit is your imagination. Section 6. This is the last but not least. Keep creating and share your journey as we journey through the exciting world of digital arts. Remember one thing, it's all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment. Make mistakes and learn from others. The online creative community is incredibly supportive and welcoming. Now it's your turn. What digital art skills are you eager to learn? Do you dream of mastering Photoshop's magic or creating stunning 3D models and worlds in Blender? I want this to be an interactive journey. What skills do you want to learn? Are there specific applications you're curious about? Share your thoughts and aspirations in comments below. Let's make this channel your creative hub. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step, embrace your creativity, and let your imagination run wild. So whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, I'm here to explore, learn, and create with you. Hit on that subscribe button, guys, and let's embark on this journey together. The world is waiting to be amazed by your new artistic vision. Thanks for joining me today. I can't wait to dive into the amazing possibilities that all of art and technology is ready to offer. Remember, creativity has no limits. See you in the next video. Thank you, and peace. And peace be with you guys. I will Mrs. Hey, do not forget it's still your guy Wisdom.